Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add TikTok comments to favorites. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on Inbox where all activity is on your TikTok profile. Tap on Activities. Now tap on View All. Scroll until you find the comment you want to add to favorites. Then tap on it. Now long press the comment. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Add to Favorites. So that is how you add TikTok comments to favorites. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.